Tell me, what happened?
Sir, this classroom
Hmm.
and this now all this and
Hmm. Udit Mo, you tell me, what happened?
sir, this is
Hmm.
Adil.
Adil doing like this.
Sir, this is
Mm.
sir, this is fighting. No, this is fighting.
Oh.
Sir, this guy is
Oh.
fighting.
He's fighting.
Yeah.
He's punching you.
Sir, this classroom is and yes. No, sir. This is
Hmm.
Adil.
Oh.
Sir, this is no, sir. This is
Are you hitting? Are you hitting him? Boxing?
no. Yes. No, yes. No, sir.
Adil, Udit is boxing you.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Where do boxing? Here. Are you punching him?
No, Adil is punching.
Adil is punching.
Yeah. Sir, Udit is not punching. No, Adil is punching.
If you fight again, I'm going to call police. Okay? Okay? Police will come and you'll go to jail. Okay? Next time, don't fight. Okay? Say sorry to each other.
Sorry.
Shake your hands. Okay, go.